Alright guys, so today we're gonna be reacting to Rush, the Watchmaker short film. Some of you guys just linked this little short film from Rush in one of my comment sections, so I wanted to see what's going on here. Seems like there's a couple Hollywood actors. Let's see what's going on. Some of these clips are very funny, man. Make sure you like to subscribe. Also for donations, link in the description down below. Let's jump in. Oh, that's nice graphics. Is that the moon? The main
Watchmaker.
What? Man, look at that CGI, bro. Right on point.
Hello!
I'm sorry, I'm here to see Mr. Watchmaker.
Goodbye! What do you want?
Sorry, I'm Mr. Burt from the Ministry of Federal Taxation.
Oh, why didn't you say so in the first place?
Why you didn't say that in the first place? All right.
Oh, you're a tall drink of water. Yeah, to what do we...
Let me see. Oh man, this is crazy.
Your loftiness.
Right. Sorry, I really didn't expect three dwarves to walk out.
Dwarves? We ain't no dwarves. We happen to be gnomes. Except for him, of course, who's a troll. Yeah, you want to make some money? Yeah, you want to make some money?
Maybe I have the wrong address. I'm looking for Mr. Watchmaker. It's important. There seem to have been some irregularities.
Yeah, pretty regular, actually. Yeah, he's fine.
No, but
That's not Neil.
these are very severe discrepancies we're talking about here.
Yeah, I got discrepancies. My whole life has been a discrepancy.
It seemed like they're improvising. They took these scenes, but it seemed like they're improvising. He's more into the script.
It is imperative that I see Mr. Watchmaker so that I can collect all of his receipts.
Oh, the receipts! Those receipts are right down there.
Yeah, can't you see the sign?
You actually have a sign that says receipts.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, you'll be fine.
You know I got nothing out of this exchange.
Have a nice day.
All right, have a nice life. What a maroon.
Receipts, all right? They look like Sonic the Hedgehog. And the CGI is on point. The CGI is very good. Seems like a 2020-ish, 2010-ish.
Hey, smoke, drink. So anyways, I says to you, Doyle. Oh, that is so hot.
That was very good. They're trolling him. See, they're trolling him.
Can't you see the sign? Just go away.
Ooh. Oh, is that? Oh.
What What the hell? Are you still here?
Why you get lost?
Yeah, buzz off, Mr. Man from Uncle. Yeah, that's it.
Look over there.
Yeah, look there.
Yeah,
Look there. Down there.
Oh, there.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh no, he had to fall. They want.
Well,
him
this
to
has
fall.
all been nourishing. Huh. Good luck, kid. Huh.
Oh,
I got gas.
ah.
Gnomes.
Oh, that was it. That was it. That was it. Oh man, what happened? Oh man, it was kind of short and sweet and everything. I mean, CGI graphics are very good. Very Hollywood-ish. A lot of money. But it looks very nice. So what was the purpose of this short film? It's because of the what was the purpose, right? This I don't think this is Oscar had nothing to do with Oscars, but they give me this kind of vibe. Huh? No songs, no nothing. We know it's Rush, but there was no tribute to them. I guess. I mean, the only thing I can think of is just using the thing. I'm just hear me out. This is me being too logical. They're flying. Now, how the IRS agent, whatever, got in, how he flew to get here? How? If they're flying. I mean, there's no stairs. You go here, see in the bottom, underneath the ship. There's no stairs. So, did the agent flew with the helicopter and landed here? Well, this technology give me vibe of late 1900, beginning late 1800, beginning of 1900 kind of vibe. So helicopters were not made. But then, you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I might be too logical to this. I might be going way too deep into this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And you know more about these little clips, just let me know. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.